afternoon, everyone. We are Group 1. I am Marvilyn Hipolito, the leader of this group.
I am Haydn Lagajino. I'm Renz Noblezala.
I'm Elisha, Violeta.
I am Jhon Obugne.
I'm Jhon Bristol and Confesor.
I'm Yuna, Dela, Cruz. I'm Lucyella, Delos, Reyes.
For today, we are assigned to do a task. To know more about the materials and procedure, let's call Oasis and Yuna.
For the materials, we will be using 100 ml tap water, 100 ml solution, timer, 2 same size of casserole or pot, and meter.
For the procedure, number 1, prepare a water in the casserole. Prepare the timer and the laboratory thermometer.
Number 2. Place 100 ml water over a medium heat stove. Place the laboratory thermometer on it, but make sure it doesn't touch the bottom of casserole or basin. Then start the timer.
Number 3. Stop the timer once the water boils and read the temperature and then record it in the table.
Next, prepare this water solution, 100 ml of water with salt, in another casserole. Do the same thing again using and absorbing the salt solution. This is the end of our video for today.
We hope you learned something in our video presentation.